In today's tutorial, she said, hopefully resolve if you're coming across a network cable unplugged error on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to disconnect your network cables and plug them back in. See if that's just an issue with a loose connection. Hopefully that would resolve the problem. If not, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say command prompt. Right click on it and then run as administrator. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Then you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your device. And then hopefully at this point you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.